Hello viewers, welcome to Forex Flow weekly analysis for the week starting on December 2nd to December 6th. I really appreciate all the feedback that was given to me through comments, the WhatsApp messages, emails. I'm really happy that my videos are helping you make profitable trades, and some traders were able to make about 400 to 500 pips of profit. That's really amazing. I would also like to talk about the daily and weekly signal service. I was reached out by many viewers asking about the daily signal service. This is for the private clients. It's not a free service, and daily signals are usually given through WhatsApp messages where I have a broadcast list, and whenever there is a good trade setup for day trading, or let's say for a few days up to a week, I send a signal through WhatsApp message, and that includes the execution price with the limit price or market price, and it has the stop loss and take profit targets. I also have a weekly signal service. Most of my weekly analysis is covered in this video, and I am also giving some signals while I'm talking about the analysis and forecast of each currency pair. If you're listening to that, you can watch my videos and you can take advantage of the weekly signals given here. But I also provide weekly signals through email, and that includes the execution price as well as the stop loss and take profit targets. These daily and weekly signal services are for my private clients, and it's a paid service. I would like to share very good news with my viewers that I'm offering 50% discount for the month of December on daily signal service. So if you are interested or you want to try it out, please reach out to me through the WhatsApp number given below this video, and we can talk about the discounted price for the month of December. So with that, we can start with our first pair. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and leave your feedback in the comment section. Here we are looking at the EURUSD, and you can see that I've changed the template again. Now we are using trading view. I think this is more flexible and it's giving a better view for the traders to look at the forecast. For EURUSD, we were saying that the price would head downward to 110, and that's what we have seen here. The price went down here on Wednesday. It dipped below, actually it went down to 109.90. So if you had taken a sell trade around 111 or 110.50, I've been given this signal for the last couple of weeks, and our initial target was 110 with extension to 109.50. It did not go there, but it did reach to 109.81. I hope you guys were able to close your trades here around this area between 109.80 and 110. And then we have seen the price is now going up. This is one of the scenarios that we were talking about last week. We were talking about double bottom here, and we were also saying that it's making a kind of a W pattern, so it may go up. Before that, it was making M pattern that we had talked about in the previous videos, and here it was making two double bottoms here. One is here, and then the second one is here. So with that here, I think the price may go up from here, and that's what we have seen on Friday. There was a lot of profit taking happen, and we have seen this huge green candle. Now we have two green candles here, but this is still not a very good confirmation that the price is now heading upward. There are two scenarios here. Again, we have to wait for a good confirmation for the price to go up, and here I can tell you, if the price continues to go up, like it goes up a little bit and then it goes like this and it reaches to this resistance area, that could be one possibility. The other is it may go sideways, so it can go like this and it can drop and go to the target of 109.50 with the extension to 109. But here we need some sort of confirmation before we can make our decision. So I would say, if you had closed your sell trades, please stay away from this pair and wait for the price action on Monday. If it closed above the top of this candle on Friday, which is at 110.28, I would say 110.30. If it goes above that, then you can easily take a buy position, and then we'll be seeing that the price would be heading upward. It may get some resistance area with this moving averages coming down, and we'll see some selling pressure as it reaches toward this gray rectangular area, which is at 110.75 to 111, and then we'll be looking for a sell opportunity. If you have taken a buy trade here around 110, you can wait for the price to go up and then take your profit accordingly. If the price goes sideways and it dips down, then we'll enter into a sell trade again if the price breaks below 110. Here you can see the price may go up like this, and it can continue to go up from here like this and go up, make a W pattern, or it may go up a little bit and then it can go like down like this. So both the possibilities are there. I would say traders should be very careful when they enter into a buy or sell trade, and be careful when you take a position, put appropriate stop loss and take profit targets accordingly. That's for the Euro USD. Now we are looking at the Pound USD. Here we were saying that the price will go up and down between this range, and that's what we have seen. It's been very choppy, so I was saying traders to stay away from this pair. But if you had taken a buy trade, you should have taken your profit target here, which was around 129.50. If you look at this gray rectangle, you would notice that the price has been rejected in the past from here. Several times it reaches to this area around 129.50 or above, it is rejected. So that's what we have seen. But here with this little candle here on Friday, we can say that in the coming week the price will continue to rise up. If you see a very strong sign of rejection, for example like this candle here, this is a very strong rejection, or if you see a small rejection like this here, then these kind of signs we'll be looking forward to enter into a sell trade. Like I said, the RSI is a little bit low now. It's not close to 80, it's around 61, so there is still room for this pair to go up, and in the coming week it may go up to 130, 131. We'll be looking forward to a sign of a exhaustion where the price is rejected, and then we'll enter into a sell trade. So I'm going to leave this rectangle here, gray rectangle, for your reference. If the price is rejected here, you can immediately enter into a sell trade. If the price breaks above that and you're a buyer, you can continue to hold your position. If the price breaks below that, then we'll be looking forward to first level of support here around 127.50 to 128, and this 50-day EMA is also catching up with the price, so we'll have sufficient support here. Break below that would send this pair down to 125, and this orange line is a marker that will tell you if the price will reach down here if it breaks below 127.50. This is still the range for the coming week, but if you see the price is going up and down, then I would say stay away from this pair because it can be again very choppy like the past week. That's for Pound USD. Now we're looking at USD CAD. Here we were saying that the price may go up to this rectangle area one more time, and then we may see some sort of price rejection. That's exactly what we have seen here. If you see here, the price has reached, and we have seen several times the price has reached here and it got rejected. Now if you look at the line chart, this will tell you exactly, we were talking about these M patterns here, and then again M pattern here. So we were talking about these two M patterns here, and then this one. So these are your indicators that the same pattern may follow and the price can be rejected. But in the coming week, we have to be very careful, as we have seen that this price is not completely rejected, because although we have seen a lot of profit taking happen here, and we do see this inverted hammer here, but you see the price has not closed below the low of this previous candle here. So on this day, on Wednesday, so if the price breaks below that on Monday, and this is the signal I'm giving you guys, that if the price breaks below 132.60 on Monday or Tuesday, then you can easily enter into a sell trade, and the price should be heading downward initially to this 50-day EMA. If it breaks below that, then it will go down to this orange line, which is currently sitting at 131.50. If you see the price is going sideways and doing a consolidation like this, and then it goes upward, then I would say stay away from this pair, because it can immediately go up, enter into this resistance area again, and the price may be rejected again. If it breaks above that 133.50, then it can go up to 134. If it continues to struggle around this rectangle area, then stay away from this pair. That's for the USD CAD. Now we're looking at the Swiss franc. Here we were saying that the price has been going up and down, up and down, up and down between this range of 0.99 to 1.00, and we were expecting the price to go up with the buying pressure that's come in with these 50-day moving average and the 20-day moving average crossover. And here we were saying that if the price reaches here to this rectangle gray area, it may be rejected because that's what we have seen in the past as a resistance. So above 1.00 we do see some selling pressure, and that's what we have seen here. The price has been rejected. It has closed below 1.00. So in the coming week, since the RSI is going upward and it has not reached to 80 yet, so I would say it may go up again and reach to this resistance area one more time. And if you see a sign of rejection or a huge red candle, then you can easily take a sell position, and we'll be seeing the prices heading downward initially to 0.9950 with extension to 0.99. But we have to wait for this confirmation that the price is heading downward. I don't expect the price to break above this resistance area in the coming week. However, we may see some consolidation happening around this area. We may see the price action like this, and then price may go downward. Now we are looking at gold. Here we were saying that the price will get support with 1450, and the traders who enter here into sell trade around 1475, that was the previous resistance. We were expecting the price to go down, and the take profit was around 1450, and this is where the price had reached earlier this week. Now we have seen the price has been going up and down. This was very slow week and we didn't see much price action here, but we do see this green candle here on Friday, so it looks like there's some buying interest here, which may continue in the coming week. If we look at the line chart here, we also see some interesting pattern developing. So we have seen this double bottom here, and it's making kind of a W pattern, so price may go up again in the coming week if the price reaches here around 1475, and you see these moving averages are also catching up with it, so we may see some selling pressure, but break above that will send it to 1500 level. So that would be the initial target to take profit if you had entered into a buy trade here. If you see the price is getting huge selling pressure with this 50-day moving average pushing the price downward, and around 1475 you see a big inverted hammer or red candle, then the price would be heading downward, and we may see some selling pressure around that area. That's for the gold. Now we are looking at WTI. Here we were saying that the price has been going up and down within this range. As you can see, between the support and resistance, the price has been going up. It's very interesting to see that every time price reaches here, it is rejected. Now here we were saying if the price goes up to this level around 59, then you must close your buy trades. If you had entered into a buy around 57 or 58, you were supposed to close your buy trades here, and we were looking for a sign of exhaustion. Here we have seen the price drop to 55 level on Friday. So in the coming week, I would say if the price goes up a little bit, you see some price action like this. The price is going up, but it is again rejected with this 50-day moving average, and you see the candle forming like this, and then it may go down like that. So this could be one scenario. The other is the price may go back up to this level and then it can go down. So it can be very choppy in the coming week. We do have a OPEC meeting coming up, and that's where you will see a lot of volatility for crude oil. However, with this huge selling pressure, what we have seen here, the price may continue to go down, and we can get some support around this area, which is around 52.50 to 53. If you see the price is not able to hold around those areas, then you can extend your profit. We have this green rectangle area here around between 51 and 52. That's where we'll have plenty of support, and there will be a lot of buying pressure there. So if you're entering into a sell trade, you can take your profits around this area. If the price reverses from here and start going upward, then you can wait for the confirmation. If the price goes above the 50-day EMA, then you can take your buy position, and it may go up and reach back to this level initially, which is at 58.50 to 59. But before that, I would say lock your profits and set a proper stop loss. So with that, I'm going to close. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and leave your feedback in the comment section.